Are you searching for the perfect mind mapping tool to boost your creativity and productivity? Whether you need to organize complex ideas, collaborate seamlessly with your team, or find an easy way to visualize your thoughts, Wondershare eDrawMind is here to help. In this video, we will take an in-depth look at eDrawMind, exploring features like mind mapping, outliner mode, and real-time collaboration. We will also demonstrate how its powerful import and export tools allows you to turn your mind maps into presentations and effortlessly transform documents into mind maps with just few clicks. And that's not all. We will also look at exciting new updates in eDrawMind, including a image processing, pitch mode, Kanban view, and much more. The link to this platform is available in the video description. By clicking the link, you will be directed to the website. First, download the software to your PC. Once downloaded, install it, and after installation, launch the program. You will see an interface like this. On the home page, you will find a variety of mind maps templates, including examination, basic education, advanced education, conference plan, project plan, IT, and analysis. eDrawMind offers 26 structures and 47 well-designed themes to make your mind maps more attractive and readable. On the right hand side, you will find some amazing new features such as one sentence mind map generation, one click mind map to slide conversion, AI generated slides, multi formats to slide, create an innovative presentation, multiple file formats to mind map, image processing, note map, task Kanban, AI drawing, OCR, knowledge mapping, and formula editor. eDrawMind has recently launched these new features. In this video, we will talk about all of its new features. Let's start with the one sentence mind map generation feature. Here you simply enter your main idea and the tool will generate the mind map for you. You can see it has started creating a mind map based on our command. You can edit any text, change the font, adjust the text size, and modify the layout. There are several layouts options available, so you can choose the one that suits your performance. You can change the branch and connector color, and also add topics and subtopics as needed. You can change the theme with various options available in both light and dark mode. After creating your mind map, it's time to export it. You can export your mind maps in various formats such as graphics, PDF, Word, Excel, slides, and more. I want to export the mind map into PPT slides. To generate the slides, simply click on Go button and it will start processing. After conversion, select a slide theme. Here are many themes available, so choose the one you like. Hold on for a moment while it processes, and done. You can see that the mind map has been successfully converted into beautiful slides, perfectly creating a PPT. You can export this slide into your PC by clicking on export icon. On the left hand side, we have some new features like outline and Kanban. If I click on Kanban feature, the Kanban feature in eDrawMind is a powerful tool designed to help users manage tasks and projects in a visually organized manner based on the powerful Kanban methodology. It allows you to break down tasks into stages and track their progress in a clear drag and drop interface. You can choose the card color, schedule, priority, and progress. You can add label information and task time. And next we have outline feature. The outline feature in eDrawMind is a versatile tool that allows users to view and structure their mind maps in a linear text-based format. This enables you to concentrate on the overall organization and progress of your content, making it easier to organize complex information in a structured manner. On the right side we have some features. You can change the outline background like paper mode and regular mode, and you can change the outline width, and you can add background solid colors, gradients and pictures. You can add tables, graphics, mark, notes, hyperlinks, attachment, comment, tag, find and replace option here. Next we will discuss the feature of AI generated slides and multi-formats to slide, including their ability to automatically design and format presentations based on input data, suggest relevant content, and provide design recommendations to enhance visual appeals. Enter the topic of your AI slides and it will start processing. Then you have to choose the template. Here you have different templates and you can choose the one you like. You will see that AI-generated slides have been created with just a few clicks based on your chosen topic. Next we have multiple files format to mind map feature. You can convert your different file format into a professional mind map. Next we have image processing, a newly launched feature in eDrawMind. This feature includes several powerful tools: background removal, easily remove backgrounds from images for a cleaner look; image cleanup, improve image quality by eliminating imperfections and noise; photo enhancer, enhance the overall appearance of your photos with automatic adjustments; image super resolution, increasing the resolution of images while maintaining clarity and detail; image compression, reduce image file size without significantly affecting quality; and watermark remover, remove unwanted watermarks from images effortlessly. These tools provide comprehensive solutions for improving and customizing your images with ease. Thank you so much for joining us in exploring the new features of Wondershare eDrawMind. The link to this software is available in the video description. Make sure to check it out for more information or to get started with eDrawMind. Visit the website and download the latest version today. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thank you so much for watching and we will see you in the next video.